Today, we will see how to use Monday.com for project management on a PC or laptop. First of all, let's head over to the Monday.com website. Here you'll find a Get Started button at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a welcome page where you'll have the option to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. As a new user, I'll continue with my Google account. Once you're signed in, the platform will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. The first question is, what brings you here today? You can choose from options like work, personal, school, or nonprofits. I'll select work, but you can choose whichever suits you best. Next, it will ask you to describe your role. For example, I'll choose team leader from the options provided, and then click Continue. The next question will be about the size of your team. Select the number of people who will be using Monday.com with you. After that, it will ask how many people work at your company in total. Choose the option that fits best and click Continue. Then it will ask what you'd like to manage first. I'll select Marketing, but you can choose whatever aligns with your needs and then move to the next page. After that, it will ask what specific area of marketing you want to focus on. I'll go with Task Management and then click Continue. The final question will be, how did you hear about Monday.com? Select YouTube since you're watching this video and click Continue. You'll then be taken to a page where you can invite your team members by entering their email addresses. Simply enter the email addresses in the provided fields, and next to each one, you can assign their roles. I'll select Member. You can add more members one by one, and once you're done, click Invite Your Team. Now that your team is set up, the next step is to name your project. I'll call it Marketing. On the right side, you can also see a preview. Once you've set the name, click Next. Next, it will prompt you to choose the columns for your dashboard. Select the ones that are most relevant to your projects. You can also see a preview of each column here. Once done, click Next. You'll also get the option to add dashboard widgets for real-time insights. Select the options you prefer, and once you've made your selections, click Next. Then you'll be asked to choose a view layout. There are several layouts available. Simply pick the one that best suits your project, and you can see a preview on the right side. Once you choose a layout, click Next. The final step is to enter the names for your project tasks. Since we selected a board with 3 cards, there are 3 tasks to name. Enter the task names and you'll see a preview on the right side. Once you've added all the names, click Get Started. And there you go. You'll now land in your Monday.com workspace. Here you can see all the columns you selected during the setup process. These columns are fully customizable, so you can adjust them according to your needs. Next to this main table, click on Cards, and you'll see the cards that were added while setting up the account. You can also see the task names that we just created. If you want to add more options, simply click the plus icon next to the columns. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Select the one you want to add, such as Kanban. It will take a few moments to load and will then be added to your workspace. In this way, you can add more features as needed. On the left side, there's a menu with different options. At the top, you'll find the home page, where you can see recently visited workspaces and sections. There's also an inbox feature for team messages. Since this is a new account, it will be empty for now, but it will fill up as you interact with your team. At the bottom of this page, you'll see My Workspaces, where you can manage multiple workspaces if you have them. Now, let's move on to the My Work section. This area shows a table with tasks organized by date. Tasks that are past due will appear in the Past section, and today's tasks will appear under Today. To add a new task, click New Item and fill in the required details. Clicking on the task will open a detailed view. Here you can see the group where the task is set, and you can also change the task name. Next, you can see the owner or assign a new owner from your team. You can also update the task status to track the progress of your project. Next, click Set a Due Date, which will open the calendar panel. Simply select a date from here and the new due date will be applied. As you can see, the timeline will also update automatically after setting the due date. You can also add project-related files or notes for your team and mention the budget for the task if needed. Additionally, you can prioritize tasks from high to normal according to your requirements. On the right side, there is a comment section where you can have conversations with your team. If you want to see the history of changes, there's an activity log at the top. Here you can view all the changes that have previously been made to the task. Now, close this tab. You can also access the calendar view to see all scheduled tasks and deadlines. If you move to the next date, you'll see the tasks you added, such as the one we set for the 16th. Next, if you click on More in the left menu, you'll find additional options. Simply select the one you want to explore. If you want to personalize your menu, click on the option and a new pop-up will appear. Here, select the items you want to add to your menu and pin the features you use the most. Once you're done, click Save Changes. You'll then see the pinned features added to your menu. Now let's open the Templates Center. It will open in a new tab. This section contains pre-made templates for your projects. You can filter templates by selecting categories on the left side, and all related templates will appear on the right side. Choose the template you need and click the Use Template button to add it to your workspace. Within a few moments, the template will be added, and you can customize it by changing the details and adjusting everything according to your needs. Next, let's look at Monday AI, which is the latest feature designed to help users manage tasks with AI tools. Let's start with AI Sidekick. This feature works like a helpful assistant that can generate insights and content based on your commands. Simply type what you need, and the AI will provide tailored results. Next is the Vibe feature. When you open it, a new page will appear where you can select the type of app you want to create. For example, I'll choose a campaign health tracker. Once selected, the prompts for that app will automatically fill in the provided field. When you're ready, press Enter or click the arrow icon to start generating. The system will begin generating the app. This process may take a few minutes, so we can explore other features while it's being created. Next is the AI Workflows feature, which helps automate and streamline tasks. It can create workflow charts and guide you through the process of setting up automation for your projects. Simply select a pre-made template and your project workflow will appear on the screen. Another feature is the AI Agent, which is an advanced tool. When you open it, you'll be prompted to request early access. After clicking the Request button, a form will appear where you can enter the required details. Once you submit the form, you'll be granted access to use the AI Agent. Next is the AI Note Taker, which is perfect for meetings. Click Get Started for free, and it will ask you to connect either Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. I'll choose Google Calendar and connect it. Once it's integrated with your calendar, it will automatically capture the most important points from your discussions, so you don't have to worry about taking notes manually. Next is your workspace. This is the one we just created, but you can also create or add new ones. If you have multiple workspaces, you can manage them from here. Inside the workspace, you'll see the marketing section that was created during the setup process, along with the dashboard and reporting sections. Here, you can track insights and monitor project performance. If you want to explore paid plans, simply click See Plans at the top. This will show you the different plans available. Choose the one that best fits your team's needs to unlock additional advanced features. Now let's check if the app has been generated. And there you go. The app has been successfully generated based on our prompt. You can see the stats, graphs, and data displayed on the screen. If you open the board from the top, you'll see all the data where you can add and customize information according to your needs. There is also a code page which is completely generated by Monday AI. If you have coding knowledge, you can modify the code to customize the app further. Once everything is ready, simply click the Publish button to launch the app, and that's it. This was a complete overview of Monday AI and how you can use it to manage your projects more efficiently. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.